Indoor plants don't just decorate your home, they breathe life into it. Imagine lush greenery that thrives with little care, even if you are a beginner. From air-purifying wonders to effortless beauties, these plants bring freshness, calm, and charm indoors. Let's explore the easiest companions for your green journey. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is one of the most beginner-friendly indoor plants you can grow. Its tall, upright leaves with striking green and yellow patterns add elegance to any room while demanding very little attention. Known for its incredible resilience, it can survive in low light, irregular watering, and even neglect. Snake plant also helps purify the air by filtering toxins, making your space healthier. Whether placed in a corner, bedroom, or office, it thrives almost anywhere. Its drought-tolerant nature means you only need to water occasionally, making it a perfect choice for those new to indoor gardening. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a dream plant for beginners thanks to its stunning glossy green leaves and incredible tolerance to neglect. It thrives in low to bright indirect light and requires very little watering, as its thick rhizomes store moisture. This makes it nearly impossible to kill, even if you forget about it for weeks. The ZZ plant is also known for its air-purifying qualities, helping to remove toxins and freshen up your living space. With its upright, sculptural look, it adds a modern touch to any room while demanding minimal care. A true set-and-forget indoor companion. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a cheerful and easy-to-grow favorite for beginners. Its arching green and white striped leaves create a graceful fountain-like look, perfect for hanging baskets or tabletop pots. One of its charming traits is producing tiny spidrets or baby plants that can be easily propagated and shared. It adapts well to different light conditions, thriving best in bright, indirect light but also tolerating low light. With minimal care, it grows quickly and helps purify the air, making your home fresher. Just water moderately and watch it flourish. A classic starter plant that never goes out of style. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, is a graceful indoor plant that's perfect for beginners, admired for its deep green leaves and elegant white blooms. It thrives in low to medium light, making it ideal for brightening shaded corners of your home. This plant is also an excellent natural air purifier, helping remove toxins and improve indoor air quality. Peace lilies prefer consistently moist soil, so regular but not excessive watering keeps them healthy and vibrant. Their blooms can last for weeks, adding a touch of tranquility and beauty to any space. A symbol of peace and purity, it's easy yet rewarding. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, also known as money plant, is a hardy and beginner-friendly indoor vine. Its heart-shaped, glossy leaves with green and yellow variegation bring a lively touch to any space. Pothos adapts well to low or bright indirect light and requires minimal watering, making it nearly foolproof. Its trailing vines can be grown in hanging baskets, on shelves, or trained along trellises, adding versatility to home decor. Beyond beauty, it helps purify indoor air by removing toxins. With easy propagation from cuttings, pothos is perfect for anyone looking to start their indoor gardening journey effortlessly. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a stunning yet low-maintenance plant, ideal for beginners. Its lush foliage, marked with shades of green, silver, or even red depending on the variety, instantly brightens any room. This plant thrives in low to medium light and requires only occasional watering, making it very forgiving. Known for its adaptability, it can handle a range of indoor conditions, including air-conditioned spaces. Beyond its beauty, it also purifies the air, creating a fresher environment. With its slow growth and easy care, the Chinese evergreen is a reliable companion for anyone starting their indoor plant journey. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a bold and attractive choice for beginners, admired for its large, glossy, dark green leaves that bring a dramatic touch indoors. Despite its elegant look, it is surprisingly easy to care for. It grows best in bright, indirect light but can also adapt to moderate light conditions. Watering is simple, just let the soil dry slightly between waterings. With time, the rubber plant can grow into a striking indoor tree, making it both decorative and rewarding. It also helps purify the air, adding to its appeal. A perfect plant for beginners who love statement greenery. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a must-have for beginners, loved for both its beauty and usefulness. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, making it highly drought-tolerant and easy to care for. Simply place it in bright, indirect sunlight and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Apart from being low maintenance, aloe vera is valued for its soothing gel, often used to treat minor burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Its sleek, spiky appearance adds a modern touch to any room or windowsill. Hardy and practical, this plant is a perfect mix of decoration and natural healing. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia, truly lives up to its name, being almost indestructible and perfect for beginners. With its broad, dark green leaves and upright growth, it adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. This hardy plant thrives in low light, tolerates irregular watering, and can adapt to a wide range of conditions, including poor soil and fluctuating temperatures. It grows slowly but steadily, requiring little attention, which makes it ideal for those with busy lifestyles. While not flashy, its resilience and evergreen charm make it a dependable and long-lasting companion for any indoor garden. Parlor palm, Comedoria elegans, is a classic favorite for beginners, admired for its graceful, feathery fronds that bring a tropical charm indoors. Compact and slow-growing, it fits perfectly in small spaces like desks, shelves, or corners. This hardy palm thrives in low to medium light and prefers evenly moist soil, though it can handle some neglect. Known for its air-purifying qualities, it helps improve indoor air while adding a fresh, calming vibe to your home. With its soft, elegant look and easy care routine, the parlor palm has remained a timeless indoor plant choice for generations.